Guys, Kaspa has hit a new all-time high again. Haters are puzzled why Kaspa is marching confidently in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Who is pushing the coin? Why is everyone still silent about the hidden potential of Kaspa? And when to wait for $1 per coin? Let's find out. Kaspa hit a new ATH and reached 14 cents. Events are moving so fast that the price may be higher by the time this video is released. But what I'm about to tell you will always be relevant. As I suggested in the last video, Kaspa corrected and surged without giving any opportunity to buy, to those who doubt. To avoid this, I advise you to watch my video where I told you the best strategy for investing in Kas. Today we will walk through the potential of Kaspa, how to become a Kaspa millionaire, and other important things that are still silent. In the comments below the video, one of my channel viewers suggested that Kas could correct to 7 cents along with Bitcoin. It was a bold assumption, but Jams was wrong. Kaspa has been moving against Bitcoin all year. Just the next day, the coin went up 82% and hit a new all-time high. That's just crazy. This coin has its own bull market that started earlier this year, so you should not think that Kaspa is going to go along with Bitcoin. Kaspa is Bitcoin's killer in a way. That's why it's growing 5 times faster than its competitor, ignoring the haters and the fact that the only small part of the entire crypto community even knows about Kaspa. Just yesterday, Kaspa reached 100,000 followers on Twitter, which I congratulate. But even this number is small compared to other blockchains and similar capitalization. For example, Cosmos has 520,000 followers, Monero has 480,000, and Litecoin has 1 million followers. All of this points to the potential of Kaspa even with its current very rapid growth. Also, don't forget that Kaspa is still not traded on the biggest exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Many participants don't even know where to buy Kas. First, go to the Kaspa page on CoinGecko and go to the market section. There you will see a list of all exchanges where you can buy or sell Kas. Second, U.S. residents can trade Kaspa on the Uphold exchange. Another important question is where to store Kaspa. After all, exchanges tend to go bankrupt and you don't want to lose all your money. In September, Kaspa developed a mobile wallet where you can safely store your coins, or use the Tangem cold wallet. But enough of the text. Let's talk about Kaspa's potential. Kaspa is starting to dominate other altcoins. Some people are selling all their altcoins to buy Kas. This can even be seen in the growth rate of Kas compared to other major altcoins like Solana, Avalanche, and Cosmos. But how long will Kaspa continue to dominate and grow so much? And for those who missed Kaspa's growth, I have a very interesting 100x idea. As shown by statistics, projects conducting token sales in the ICO or IEO format achieved returns of 100x or more. During the bear market, this trend had subsided, but we are on the cusp of an exciting bull market rally, and this is the right time to find the next 100x or 1000x gem. One such project could be Nagaya Technologies with its Nagaya concept. It's an award-winning hybrid digital asset backed by gold and real business projects. Their system contributes to the growth and expansion of its gold reserve, as well as the quality of projects funded by Nagaya, enhancing the asset's value and trust. Especially that their first and ongoing project is in nickel mining, an industry which has garnered much global attention. Registered in Singapore, the company is a member of the Association of Cryptocurrency Enterprises and Startups in Singapore, as well as the Singapore FinTech Association. The team consists of experienced professionals in IT, government management, business, and marketing, providing the project with access to valuable connections and opportunities that could positively impact NGY's price. They have also been accredited with various awards and recognitions for their concept. The value of all issued Nagaya is backed by refined high-grade gold bars. This means that each holder has the right to ownership of physical gold stored in the project's gold reserve. You can view the gold and project transparency in the company's website. Nagaya also has several key utilities. With its incremental gold reserve, this first enables it to counteract against high volatility with its value stability. Secondly, it serves as a reliable means of payment with tendency to grow in value over time. Thirdly, Nagaya can be exchanged for both internal and external marketplaces. The second and also the last round of the Nagaya initial exchange offering is currently live on the LA Token Launchpad. This IEO round is a great opportunity for you to know more about Nagaya and purchase at the earliest stage. All of this could positively impact the value of Nagaya during the listing period. So what are you waiting for? This last round of IEO will only last until November 30. You can check out Nagaya and participate via the links in the description below. Assuming the current momentum continues, we could very well see 20 cents per Kas before the end of the year. Many people forget that Kaspa dominates Bitcoin not only in terms of price appreciation, but also in terms of halving. The old slow Bitcoin has the halving only every 4 years, and the coin output is only reduced by a factor of 2. Kaspa has it much faster and more sophisticated, but for some reason few people talk about it. Only my viewers, for whom they have great respect. The maximum supply of Kaspa is 28.7 billion. Every coin was mined, there was no pre-mining or token sale. Kaspa reward decreases by half every year, but in fact every month the block reward reduces so that after half a year the issue is half. This is very bullish news because in 14 years all Kas coins will be mined, making Kaspa a deflationary project. Bitcoin will take another 120 years. This is why Kaspa is 10 times more efficient than BTC in terms of tokenomics, and therefore 10 times more valuable. Will Kaspa fall? If you look at the hourly chart, you will see that every 10% drop in Kas is immediately bought back, after which the price updates to an all-time high. This indicates price manipulation, which is generally positive for coin holders. Solana also pumped 2021 very quickly and with almost no correction, because Alameda was behind it. I don't know who is behind Kaspa, but he is very skillful in driving the price up. Who knows? Maybe the goal is to get into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Although this idea looked very absurd at the beginning of the year, it is now quite realistic. What we are seeing now is just the beginning. The crypto market is growing, but it's not yet in the main stage of the alt season, when thousands of newcomers fly into the market and buy everything. Take a look at this chart. It shows the crypto market in stages. We are at the beginning of the bull market, where those who survived the bear market are making money. There may be a local pullback, but globally we are heading into the super altcoin stage where there will be cosmic altcoin prices. Kaspa is outperforming the market and is already approaching the second phase. To avoid losses, use the DCA strategy and don't forget to take profits from the market. What's in store for Kaspa in the near future? On the daily chart, we can see how Kaspa has soared 180% since the beginning of November. The coin is already in the top 40 and is approaching the top 10. What challenges does Kas face? Nothing can grow forever unless it's Kaspa. But even this coin needs a break sometimes, even if it's very short. Right now, the only price forecast I can make is using the Fibonacci grid. The first scenario is if Kaspa corrects to a minimum of 12 cents, which is already happening, and then continues to 20 cents. This is the most likely scenario given the coin's recent performance. Once Kaspa reaches a price of 51 cents, it will move Dogecoin and take its place in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And the dollar is not far away. The second scenario is a bit more conservative. Here I expect a repeat of the April story. Then Kaspa also rose sharply by 350% in a few months. After that, there was a big correction to the level of 0.38 Fibonacci. If a similar situation happens now, I expect Kas to fall to 9 to 10 cents and then rise sharply again. As for the potential of Kaspa, I maintain my forecast of 20 to 30 cents. This is the zone where most of the market will start talking about Kaspa, which will have a negative impact on the price. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Your Coin Post.